In this video, we'll be showing you how to tag your customers so you can group and contact them together. First, log in as administrator. Head to Admin, Customer Tags, and select Add Tag from the Manage menu. Give the tag a name, select a colour from the palette, and click on the Add button. You will see all completed tags on the Customer Tags page. From the Manage menu, the name and colour palette can be edited, the tag deleted, and you can manage and email customers. By selecting Manage Customers, you can quickly allocate customers to this tag. All customers registered on your website will appear in that list. You can also see tags assigned in your customers report. You can manage tags for a specific customer by selecting Manage Tags from your customer management menu. If you would like to search for all customers with the same tag, select Search from the Manage menu of the customer's report, and then select the required tag from the tag drop-down list and click on the Search button. If you would like to email all customers with the same tag, select Send Email from the Manage menu, and then select the required tag from the tag drop-down list. You can also access your tag management view from the Customer's Report Manage menu by selecting Manage Tags. And that's it. You now know how to set up tags for your customers so you can group and contact them together. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.